Never stop being the person that you are because someone made you change. Never stop being the person that you are. Be yourself, no matter who does you wrong. Never stop acting the way you want to act. Do not change because someone else made you change from bad experiences. So I went to the Wawa this morning, and there was an old lady there. She was a senior, I guess in her 60s, maybe 70s. So we approached the door at the same time. She looked at me, I looked at her, and we both waited like who was going to go first through that door. So since I realized she wasn't going to go in first, I opened the door and I let her in first. So the lady never acknowledged what I did, never said thank you, and I said thank you for her. I said thank you. I said you're welcome, and she just looked at me, still didn't say anything, and was smiling under her mask. You could tell that she was smiling because her eyelids started to squint. So I'm like, okay, well, maybe this lady can't speak. So I'm in line. I get a beverage, a cup for a beverage, a cup of ice. They said, we're a limited supply on ice. So they gave me a small cup. I said, well, I've never heard that saying before, but okay. I believe when you say that you're low on ice. I grabbed a hash brown. The lady that just never acknowledged the fact that I let her in first, it's no big deal. But I'm just saying, I'm trying to get to a point here. Just stay with me. So the lady was right behind me. She grabbed a cup of coffee and some chewing gum. All right? So I knew the lady. I didn't look at her, but I seen her out of my peripheral vision. And when I was ready, excuse me, when I was ready to pay for my stuff. So I said, pay for her stuff too. So I heard a voice. I said, no way it's coming from that lady. So the lady actually spoke this time. Thank you again. So she was thanking me subconsciously because the words never came out of her mouth. So she probably thanked me under her breath. Now, I'm not a mind reader, although I have been known to read people's minds. But the fact that she didn't say it with her own voice, but now because I bought her stuff, now all of a sudden she can speak, right? Outrageous, man. Outstanding. So no matter what that lady was feeling that day, she doesn't want to get too close to people. She doesn't want to really talk to people. But the fact that someone bought her chewing gum and a cup of coffee, she felt impulsive to speak. So if I made a person change the way they do their daily duties, including not speak to people, a gesture like that is enough to bring anything out of anybody to make them want to go outside their comfort zone to say thank you. She said thanks again. She didn't say thanks the first time. And if she did, she sent it telepathically. So basically what I'm trying to say is, just because somebody doesn't do something to you that you agree with doesn't mean that you should stop being you. All right? Show that you're the better person. I just showed that lady that I was a better person. Yeah, I said you're welcome when she didn't say thank you, to let her know. It's okay to speak sometimes. You know, people aren't going to bite you because they open a door for you. You can say thank you. You know what I mean? I didn't say that. But this is, what goes on through people's heads at times, including mine. I'm like, dang, you could have said thank you. You know what I mean? So now I took it one step further. Not only did I let her in first, and I opened the door so she didn't have to touch that nasty door handle, you know, and worry about germs if that's what she's worried about. I did all that for her. That's the kind of guy I am. And I took it one step further and bought her stuff to show her, yeah, even though you didn't say thank you out of your mouth, you're saying it now. She has good reason to now, I guess, huh? But this is Masters at Wagtail. Don't never stop being you because of someone else. Don't change because of someone else made you change. You be you for you because you demand it, and that's the way you want it. Macafrackalacka, peace, peace, peace.